Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your subtitles on Stremio. This is going to be a very easy video to watch, so make sure to follow until the end not to miss any important details. Alright, currently we are on the Stremio application on desktop, and from here the first thing we'll do is go to the add-ons, which is the bottom left section. From here we're going to go to the official add-ons and then scroll down until we see Open Subtitles version 3 or Open Subtitles. Add both. Make sure to install both so that we have all the options necessary in case any of the captions were not available. If you would like, you can uninstall it and then go ahead and install it again, and that should solve it. Now, something else you might do is go to the settings and from here go to the player section. As you can see, default subtitles is set to English. It might be have set to another language, so in case you would like to change that, you can go ahead and do that. And from here you can scroll all the way down until you see shortcuts, and from here in the shortcuts you can set to reload the app. Once you reload it, it might fix the subtitles issue. And also, if you need to change any of the subtitle size or anything, you can increase the subtitle delay, decrease it, or increase subtitle size or decrease it. And there's all the shortcuts necessary for you to use during playing the movie. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.